today, for the beginning of summer, we're going to go to the Lemon Fest. I have never been to this before, but I thought it might be fun. And I love all things lemon. I go all out with my lemon decor every June, and I leave it up throughout the summer. So this is the way to kick off my summer. Hopefully you'll enjoy seeing all of the over-the-top lemon themed items that the Lemon Festival in Upland, California has to offer. Today is actually the last day of it, but you can mark your calendar for next year. It's free to get in, and Niall and Connie are going to join us. Those of you who were wondering, hey, where's Connie? Connie will be here in just a few minutes, so I thought I'd give you a heads up on what we are going to do. So let's go to the Lemon Fest in Upland, California. Hey, we're here. Hi. So everything kind of stems off of this main hub, and there are porta potties around. There are bands sort of at each point. Did you notice there's one down there?
Yes, I can hear it right now.
Yeah, so there's food, there's carnival rides over on the other side, and if you're not interested in the carnival rides, there's still plenty to have fun and check out food, stuff like that. So we're gonna go check it out, and I'll just sort of film as we go along, and
let's go get our lemon on.
Yeah, go get our lemon on.
Welcome to Upland Downtown Lemon Festival.
toasty.
It's hot, and I'm going to recommend right off the bat that if you have a little fan, you brought yours too, didn't you?
I did. A handheld one.
Look, if you have something like this that you can bring.
Or like this.
Mine's dead. Go old school and take that.
Yeah.
It's hot,
Yeah.
and we're inland, so we're not used to it too. And then we were talking about how similar this is to the fair, the county fair.
So if you're not a fair person, don't waste your time.
Yeah, this is like a little mini county fair. So
Yes. Now, I did get my macaroons, lemon macaroons. There was a lovely mom and daughter bakery duo. It was amazing.
Yeah.
Free samples, and I bought some macaroons. So that made it worth it for me.
they were very sweet.
They were good.
And their treats were very sweet.
Yes.
So yeah, we both got something to take home. There's plenty of food, plenty of things to listen to. I think there's 4 or 5 stages that we saw. And oh, that breeze feels good.
It does.
Woo! So, and parking, there's a lot of parking, you just have to drive around and find it. So there's free parking, and then some that we saw, they were charging $30 to park in some of the lots, a little bit closer.
We found 3,
Yeah.
so, which was good.
But we got here early, so get here early.
Get her.
Yeah. All right, that's
So,
about it.
It was good.
So maybe we'll see you next year. Like I said, this is the last day of it, but if you happen to be watching this, you could just go mark your calendar now for next year.
For next year.
Yeah, it's a fun day trip.
It
And
is.
we brought the guys with us this time too. So. All right.
All right.
We'll see you later.
Thanks. Bye.